Comes out high. Moser with a shot. Stopped in front and covered by Vejmelka. And now we get a bit of a fight here. It looks like Girgensons and Sergachev. Hayden's got a hold of somebody. It's Pontus Holmberg. Gunther as well.
Gunther and Gord. Randy Gord, a tough customer despite not being the biggest guy in the world. And the original fracas was between Girgensons and Mikhail Sergachev, who really wanted to get after him, and if there wasn't a couple of linesmen in the middle of him, probably would have ended up being a healthy bout between two big boys. You think about